Afternoon, YouTubers. Car Mobile Tyre Van City. Yet another van going out today. So this one is for HS Mobile Tyres. It's a 21 plate Peugeot Boxster L3 H3. Oh, sorry, H2. My apologies, H2. Okay, so basically this guy is from Middlesbrough. So if you do want any tyres or you need got emergency call out, save his number. His name's Hamza. He'll look after you. It's from Middlesbrough area. Covers all the northeast. That's his number on the side there. Give him a ball. If you need tyres, if you need emergency, this is the man. Okay, so going at the front here, as usual, we fully printed graphics, fully wrap on it. We've supplied the van, the kit, everything you see, all for one price. This guy bought it outright, no problem with that. If you want to, we can finance it. A van of this level, I think this one would have been about 150 a week, something like that, as they always say. The most call-outs around between 100 and 150, depending where people are. I've had some people contested online that that's what people are getting, but they are. That's what it is. You know, if you get a recovery company calling you out, pulling you out and dragging it onto the back of a truck because you've got a flat tyre, you're going to be paying 150, 200 quid. So I don't know why people think there's a problem with these guys making between 100 and 150 quid for calling you out in an emergency on the motorway to get you going. I think it justifies itself, putting themselves at risk. Anyway, so this is fully printed, as usual. No stickers over stickers, so it can't peel off. Okay, going round the van. Same all the way down the side. We put locks for vans, locks on the doors to stop people getting in. High quality, you'll never get in there when that's locked there on there. And then coming round, you've got the 4 repeaters on the rear here. The large one on the roof and a perimeter light, which I'll switch on in a minute and show you. Chapter 8 on the rear as well. So it's all chapter 8 and ready to go on the motorway. Same graphics down this side. The guy does 24-hour call outs according to that as well. And he does all different makes of tyres. Coming back round, we'll go inside the van and show you inside. Okay, coming inside the van, I'll show you what's standard and what is on the options list on the configurator. The configurator is on mobiletyrevancity.co.uk. You just go on there. You pick what vans we've got in stock if you want a van. If you've got your own van, not a problem. Give us a shout. We can tell you how much it is. We'll send you the configurator. You can fill it in yourself and I'll tell you the price. Okay, so basically, vans like this, you literally spec it out how you want. You probably watched all the videos on YouTube and seen that anyway. So basically, every customer chooses. So every van's totally unique to them. It's bespoke. So whatever you want, we can do it as long as it's on the configurator, of course. So looking at this one here, this has got... if you look on the configurator at the top, this is Euro 6 Pack 2 EuroTek. So this is a 1000 Pro tyre changer. It's got the assist arm for doing the run flats there. 24-inch turntable, does the 22-inch alloy. He's then clicked to upgrade his wheel balancer from the hand spin, because we do a hand spin one as well. It's a lot smaller, but because this van's quite long, you can fit this in. So he's clicked at that as an upgrade. This is a standard piece of equipment in the pack there. This is the 150-litre GX160 5.5 petrol compressor from Honda, mounted on the anti-vibration feed to stop the van shaking. 3000 pure waves inverter there, pure sine wave. Split charger, Euro 6. Battery box is an upgraded one. It's got an isolator switch on it, and it's also got a button I can press, and it will show me the voltage in the back of the battery. Okay, so that's an upgrade on the list. A couple of other upgrades. Cone holder. So basically, normally we have them on the side here in a garage, but you know, because you're driving around, it's moving, they're going to slide off. So we make this inverted cone holder there. So there's all the cones, and then the boxes for the valves and weights to go in. Again, on the options list, so they're all choosable. The other option he's gone with is the new compressor built in air reel. So that's got its own compressor built into it. So now we can blow the tyres up using that rather than using the air in the tank. So if you put 4 tyres on a van like this, you'd use that whole tank. You'd have to fire it up for the next job. You probably won't fire that compressor up much in the day if you use that to blow the tyres up, because that'll only be used to break the bead and hold the jaw clamping. Because he's got air reel going outside, you've got 2 air jacks there, save him using a handed jack. So he just puts it on, opens the valve, it lifts the vehicle up. Again, on the options list, torque wrench, crack bar, and the holding system. Gun holder, gun standard, that's part of the pack. That's an upgrade. So the guy's gone from the normal trolley jack, which is in the pack, he's gone and upgraded it and changed it to air jacks. Gun holder there, and the sockets, which is the normal tricolor sockets. So you've got your 21, 19 and 17 there. Okay, and then you've got LED light in there inside. So that's it. We could do all sorts of different options, and also there's your perimeter lights there. Switch is just in here. There's a perimeter light there, and there's one on the rear. Okay, so mobiletirevancity.co.uk. Go on there, choose your van. If you've got your own van, just go straight to choose your equipment. Choose your equipment, send it over to me. I'll call you back. We'll have a discussion when and where we can do it. We'll bespoke. All the wraps are all bespokely designed with Kev, our top designer, and he sits with on the computer, goes through it with you. Again, with this one, Hamza insisted in this, and we've made it how we want it to be. And as you've probably seen, the right is like the Grand Theft Auto. It looks good to me. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. So if you do that, every time I put a van on, it'll come to you and you can see what we're doing. My name's Carl. Thanks for looking.